Guys, just a quick update on these vehicles. So this one right here, the I think it's called the trailing arm was broke, and the top control arm. So that's fixed. Car runs and drives perfect. It's straight, doesn't pull anywhere or anything like that. That's kind of going to be my main issue right there on getting that fixed. Finding a rear bumper, they're expensive for these cars. They're around 300 bucks, even used. And then I've got the Dodge Caliber. That's probably the easiest one I've gotten. This one also runs and drives good. I got the bumper off of one at the junkyard. I believe I paid 70 bucks for it. It's already painted. I couldn't find the fender. I couldn't find the bumper. I got the fender. Used. I wanted to go with the OEM, already painted, but I did order a aftermarket one for, I think it was the $195, and that should be here in about a week or two. This one right here, what was leaking was actually coolant and transmission fluid mixing together from where the radiator was broke. And I got a new radiator. Also went ahead and bought the fender for that reason right there. I got a bumper and another fender, but I didn't get those in the same color. There's that one, and that one. And I ended up paying I think it was 100 bucks, or maybe 110 for all those. But those I actually had to go to pull apart, so they were cheaper for that reason. It's always cheaper if you pull them yourself, but you know, there's those. This is my little update on those cars, and hopefully, you know, once I'm ready to send out the application, I can make another video where I actually show the process and all that. That way y'all can see what, you know, what's on the application, and how long it took to get the title back, all that sort of thing. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and, you know, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.